Hey guys, we are here for a quick sneak peek at the Guardians of the Galaxy. This is the new kind of preview event that's taking the place of Captain EO at the Magic Eye Theater at Disneyland. And today's the first day they've revealed the posters that have taken the place of the Captain EO posters. If you saw our video yesterday, we played a little bit of the soundtrack there and saw the sign go up. Today we're kind of back here behind things. See, all the screens have been taken out and everything's been replaced by speakers, so the soundtrack is just kind of playing throughout this area. Got posters for Drax, Gamora, and Rocket and Groot. And then as we go around the front, there's a poster for Star-Lord that is kind of the front and center. They're clearly selling him as kind of the Han Solo or Luke Skywalker, if you will, of this movie and of this little sneak peek event. There's also a straight-up Guardians of the Galaxy poster. They have a preview event sign right at the front of Disneyland, so they're really trying to push people to get out here. Not that that's uncommon, but just the combination of that, this massive sign, which is much more than what we've seen for things like Maleficent just shortly a little while ago. It's very clear that this is giving a really good push to kind of anchor it into Disney, and they're wanting to give this property as much support as possible. So there's the awesome sign again. You probably saw that yesterday. And then we've got the Guardians poster, as well as the Star-Lord poster. So we'll be heading inside in the next hour here as they let us in, and we'll have more from there. We'll also be doing a podcast tonight, so everything you want to know about the Guardians of the Galaxy preview event at Disneyland, we'll have it. All right, see you in line somewhere.